Step 3. How the story works. The story section is your CRM activity timeline. It keeps a complete history of everything that happens for that customer. For example, you can see that Nizarine created the quote, emailed the office quote, updated the quote status, approved the job, and changed the product status to ready for install. The system also records customer activity automatically, such as when the customer viewed the quote and signed the quote. Every action is recorded with the date, time, and the person or system that performed it. This gives you a complete history of every interaction with that customer, all in one place. If you want to send another SMS or email to the customer, simply scroll down, type your message, and send it directly from here. Your message will automatically include your signature and any configured details. If you have any files related to the customer, simply attach them here, and they'll become part of the story. This is especially useful before creating an estimate or following up with a customer. For example, if you're planning to visit the customer's home tomorrow, instead of opening Gmail or Outlook, you can write and send the email directly from here. A copy will still be delivered to your inbox, while every communication remains stored in the customer's story. That means you never have to search through your inbox to find which email was sent to which customer. You can also create email templates. If there's a common email you send regularly, simply save it as a template, so you don't have to type the same message every time.